If you've ever raged because your phone started lagging during a match, this might be the phone that finally gets it right. The ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Air is not just fast, it stays cool, lasts long, and it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi film. Released in April 2025, this one's made for gamers, but it might surprise you with what else it brings. Design: the RedMagic 10 Air looks clean but aggressive. It weighs about 205 grams, just the right balance, not too heavy, not too light, and it's only 7.9 millimeters thick, which is rare in gaming phones with big batteries. You've got Gorilla Glass 5 in front, Panda Glass 2 at the back, and an aviation-grade aluminum frame holding it all together. Bonus? It's got IP54 protection, so it can handle a little dust and splash. Not waterproof, but enough for daily use. Display: you get a 6.8-inch AMOLED display that supports 120Hz refresh rate and hits up to 1600 nits brightness. In simple words, it's sharp, smooth, and easy to see even in sunlight. They even hid the selfie camera under the screen, so no punch hole, no notch, just full view. Performance: this phone's running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and it's paired with the Adreno 750 GPU. In real-world usage, it's a beast. Games like COD Mobile, Genshin Impact, or PUBG run maxed out, smooth as butter. And here's the important part: there's zero lag, even after an hour of play. Add in 12GB or 16GB RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage with 256GB or 512GB capacity, and you've got a setup that handles gaming, apps, and multitasking without flinching. Cooling actually works. Lots of phones talk about cooling. This one proves it. There are 520Hz pressure-sensitive shoulder triggers, perfect for gaming, and internal cooling that actually makes a difference. After a solid hour of gaming, this thing doesn't heat up like others, it stays warm, not hot. That matters because heat kills performance, battery and charging. You're looking at a 6000 mAh battery, which is already impressive. But it doesn't stop there. This phone charges at 80W, going from 0 to 100% in just 52 minutes. So even if you're in a rush, a quick charge before heading out gives you hours of juice. And it lasts about 13 hours of active use. That's full gaming sessions without needing to plug in. Cameras: let's be honest, most gaming phones treat cameras like an afterthought. But here, you get a 50MP main camera with OIS, a second 50MP ultra-wide, and a 16MP under-display selfie cam. And yes, it can shoot 8K video, plus slow MO at 240 frames per second. No, it's not a camera champ, but for photos, reels, and even a quick vlog, it absolutely holds up. Sound and features: you get stereo speakers with DTS-X support, plus Snapdragon sound and high-res audio. There's no headphone jack, but wireless audio here is top tier. You've also got Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared remote, and even an under-display fingerprint scanner. In short, everything you'd want is packed in. Price: at $599, or around €569, the RedMagic 10 Air gives you serious performance for its price. Most phones with similar specs charge a lot more, and they don't have shoulder triggers or cooling systems this good. If gaming is your priority, and you don't want to pay flagship prices, this is one of the best options right now. So that's the RedMagic 10 Air. Powerful, practical, and made for serious gamers. Let me know in the comments what game you'd test first on this beast. And if this helped you out, hit the like button and share it with someone who's tired of lag.